more and more computers today allow you to plug two monitors into the same computer. That can be a great way to work. It makes you more productive because you can have on one screen your email account and on the other screen your QuickBooks or your Excel or Word documents, and you don't have to flip back and forth between the different windows. If you have a computer and you would like to have two monitors or dual monitors, look in the back and see if there's an extra place to plug a monitor in. A lot of video cards have got two jacks that come out of the back, and they're either VGA or DVI. That's the new connection type that is for the high definition screens. If you don't have that kind of connector, you can always get a video screen, a video card, and install it so that it gives you the ability to have two different video cards connected at the same time. They're very productive. They're fairly inexpensive. They probably start at $50–60 and up. And if you need help with it, give us a call. We'll install it for you, show you how to use it. This is Steve at ageeko.com.